Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to send USDC from your Arculus wallet to MetaMask in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets smoothly, this guide is perfect for you. USDC is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable choice for transactions without the wild price swings of other cryptos. Arculus Wallet is a secure hardware wallet, and MetaMask is a popular software wallet for Ethereum-based assets like USDC. First things first, make sure you have both wallets set up and funded. You'll need your Arculus device handy and MetaMask installed on your browser or mobile app. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and unlock it with your PIN or biometric authentication. Navigate to your USDC balance. It should be under your Assets or Portfolio section. Step 2. Select the USDC you want to send. Tap on it to initiate a transfer, then choose the option to send or withdraw. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, which is your MetaMask wallet address. To find that, open MetaMask, switch to the Ethereum network since USDC is an ERC20 token, and copy your wallet address from the top of the screen. Step 3. In Arculus, paste the MetaMask address into the recipient field. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Next, enter the amount of USDC you want to send, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, network fees might be lower due to advancements like Layer 2 solutions, but always confirm. Step 4. Confirm the transaction on your Arculus device. It might require additional verification for security. Once approved, the USDC will be sent to the blockchain. Head over to MetaMask and refresh. You should see your USDC arrive in a few minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always use a secure connection and enable two-factor authentication on both wallets to protect your assets. If you run into issues, check the Arculus or MetaMask support pages. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.